chocolate? Somebody trying to tell me something. They're like, Cherise, you do not need this chocolate, okay? Hey babes, welcome back. This is Living for the City. I'm Cherise, and I'm so excited for today. I've been waiting for today because today I got another Hooting Pirates treasure box. Now, if you did not see my last Hooting Pirates treasure box, then you don't know that today, getting this box, opening this box, is a day of self-care. For all of us busy ladies to take a moment to stop, to breathe, to reflect, and have some self-care. Okay, that is what this box is all about, and I'm so excited because I'm so in need. I've been ripping and running over the last few weeks, and I'm so excited to stop and breathe, and so that's what we're gonna do today. So here is the next box. Like I said, if you didn't see the last video, please go back and take a look at that one after you're done this one, but I'm so excited for this box already. So this is how your box comes. And look at this right here. Can you see that? I love that. It says, let us spoil you. Please do. All right, so let's open this box up. I'm super excited to get it. Ooh. And it comes all pretty paper. It says, you deserve this on the front of this little thingy right here. And I'm gonna open it up. And oh my goodness, I'm in already. Oh gosh, okay. I remember this from last time. The card that tells you about the box is at the bottom, okay? So last time I was searching and searching, couldn't find it, and then I got to the end and I'm like, there it is. So I found it. It is at the bottom. Okay, so this is the Hooting Pirates treasure box. And actually, these are instructions, so this isn't what I want. This is instructions for something in the box that I have no idea what it is, but I love it. Okay, so here is the little card that comes in your box to let you know what you got. And this one is Mermaids. Oh, wow. I can't remember what the last one, what the theme was of the last one, but this one is Mermaids. It says, a world under the sea can be a magical place. All it takes to smell that salt sea air and your shoulders relax away from your ears. If you can get to the sea, we're bringing it to you with this lovely curated box designed to encourage and inspire you to take time for yourself. Again, that is what this box is all about. So I'm loving this. Oh. So, okay, now the first thing in here is, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, so let me see if I can find it. It is an oyster shell trinket dish. I don't know where that would be. Much stuff in here. I think this is it. Oh, it is. Oh, you guys, this is gorgeous. It is a trinket dish, but it's made of an oyster shell. This opulent trinket dish is fit for a sea queen. Use it to store your rings at night or your favorite special occasion jewelry. These dishes were made in-house and are exclusive to this box, trimmed in gold. Each one is unique. As you remove your rings at night, list 3 things that you are thankful for. This is gorgeous. Look at this. Can you see this? And then look at the painting on the inside. I love this, and I'm totally gonna use it. Wow, this is so pretty. It's so pretty. Gosh, okay, that's the first thing. Eek! Okay, next up is a coaster mini craft kit. Okay, and I think that has to do with this thing right here. Okay, so that's this right here. And there are instructions to make your mermaid coaster, okay? So let's see if I can find, it looks like in your kit, and maybe that's this. little kit here. I love the fact that they give you things to like do to like, you know, for your hands to be active and as you relax, right? Yeah, so everything is in here. Everything is in this cute little bag here, and it comes with plastic canvas, felt, threads, and then it comes with a little needle. Oh my God, I just love this. This is super cute. Oh, wow. Okay, and so that is the to make your mermaid coaster, and then it gives you the instructions on the pattern. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, I can't wait to do this one. Okay, great. All right, next up are mermaid tail binder clips. I saw those in here. Oh, this is super cute. Look at these. These are binder clips. Make a splash with your planner or your notebook with these memorable mermaid tail binder clips. There are 2 sizes and a variety of colors inspired by shimmery mermaids. I love this, so cute. Next up, it says Yummy Treats. Oh, look, so it's blue tea, okay. By Wild Hibiscus Flower Company. This is the Pure Butterfly Pea Flower Tea. I've always wanted to try this. Have you heard of this? I have always wanted to try this butterfly pea flower tea. I heard it's amazing. So it says steep your blue tea in boiling water. The longer you leave it, the darker it will get. Squeeze a lemon into your tea and watch it turn purple. If you want to get a photo of the change, get someone else to squeeze a lemon for you because it changes pretty fast. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. They sent me tea last time and I loved it. I can't remember what kind it was, but it was good. And then the other here is some sea salt chocolate. Oh, how appropriate for the occasion. If I can get it out. And it says sea salt chocolate is my favorite, and it is the favorite of mermaids and other sea creatures as well because it's sea salt. I can't even get it out, y'all. Here we go. Sea salt. Oh, got it. Oh, it smells amazing. It says sea salt is my favorite, and it is also the favorite of mermaids and other sea creatures as well. The salty surprise in every sweet bite will have you hooked. Cannot wait to try this. Yes. And then finally, Waves and Scales washi tape, which I did see in here. 3 rolls of washi in various shades of sea blue. They roll out super smoothly, ready to decorate your planner, notebook, or your gifts. I love washi tape. I use that in my planner as well. Oh my goodness. And then remember last time they had these cute little cards. This one says, I must be a mermaid. I have no fear of depth and a great fear of shallow living. The other one says, you don't need to choose between taking care of yourself and taking care of others. There's time for everyone. Love those too. So they put these, and actually what I did last time was I like cut it and then I put it up on my little board at my desk. Just a, you know, daily reminder to like stop, take a minute, breathe. This was the best. Oh my goodness. Love this box. Thank you so much, Kara, once again for another beautiful Hooting Pirates treasure box. Ladies, I gotta tell you, and gents if you're watching, because I know you might have a lady in your life, listen, you need to get this box. I mean, again, this box is perfect for us, those of us that are just so busy on the go, that really have a time to like stop and reflect. And that's the great thing about this box. It's all about self-care and giving yourself some time. That's what we all need, is a moment. I'm going to link in the description box below how you can get your own Hooting Pirates treasure box. There's a discount code in there as well. So if you want to get this for yourself, for your daughter, for your sister, for your girlfriend, for a coworker, wouldn't this be a great gift for someone that you know is always at work, just going? How great is this idea? Again, these boxes come every other month, so you don't have to really worry about taking the time to use it really quickly before the next box comes, which I really like about that. You can kind of plan out your self-care day and don't have to do it within the next couple weeks. You plan it out, you take some time, and take time for you. Thank you you so much for watching today. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, I ask you hit that little red button below for me. Thank you. Then you can follow me on my day-to-day highlights on Instagram at living_for_the_city, or you can like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. Until next time, faves, take time for you. Bye.